Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Riley. If you don't know me, if you're new, hey girl. If you're returning, hey girl. Oh, this is me editing after I already made this whole video because I forgot to make a proper intro. I don't know. I'm a little poo-poo. What you're about to watch is a video of a little unboxing and try-on haul, lookbook haul, I don't know what you want to call it, type of video of what Nasty Gal sent me. Thank you so much again, Nasty Gal. I love collabing with you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys like. It was a lot of fun making this video and wearing these outfits and making this whole lookbook. Thank you guys so much. If you don't know Nasty Gal, this is their IG. You should go check them out. They got some cute tops, cute bottoms, cute dresses, cute everything. So yeah. So I hope you guys continue watching. Let's get into it. Watch out. Not my dress, but I just got my goodie package that they sent me. Thank you guys so much if you're watching. Yeah, I thought I'd do a little unboxing haul. Yeah, what I got. What my favorite gal pals got me. Ooh la la. I have this t-shirt dress. My outfit right now. Wow. Patch, patch. Okay. Let's see what else I got. Ooh. Another graphic tee of the Beatles. American Tour 1964. Very cute. Oh, you like that? And look, it says all their tour dates on the back too. Isn't that cool? Hey, don't eat it. You eat Douglas. Ow, don't eat me. La la. Beatles. American Tour 1964. Did they ever come to my place? Boston Gardens. They did. So cool. When did they come? September 12th. Nolly. I'm loving it so far. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Ooh, it's just another shirt. Wow, they really spoiled me. Oh, it's another graphic shirt. Oh my god, bro, they know me. Oh my god, I love this. Stop. Very cute. Oh, I was holding it backwards. Awkward. Ooh, cute. Love me my plaid pants. These are, oh my god, I could wear this with the Beatles shirt just because the Beatles shirt had that purple writing, and so the purple and this purple will go together. Why are you eating me? Hey, it's not always about you. Hey, this is very cute. I'm talking to the cat. Very cute. I know, I was gonna wear the Beatles shirt because the Beatles writing is purple. Very cute.
What's the first shirt? Oh,
it's a t-shirt dress. Last thingy I got was some jeans. Oh, these bad boys are sick. I love my patch jeans. So cool. And then those patches, and then that patch. And then they're like boot cuff too, so I can like wear my stomping boots. And my big naked wolf shoes. And oh my god, I could wear this with the Rolling Stone shirt up in it. So see what I did there, and then like the red in my hair. And yeah. Super cute. Thank you guys for sending me all these. I love them all. The graphic tees, all the pants. Yo, oh my god. Yay. Thank you guys so much. I love it. I love it. Yes. Oh, did you hear that voice crack? My cat. My kitty cat. Crack, crack, yak. Don't go back. That's not how it goes. But yeah. Thank you. They sent me 5 things total. Wow, you guys. So generous. Hey, thank you guys so much. Thank you. Friend. The Rolling Stone shirt, the Crocodile Rock shirt of Elton John, the purple plaid, the Beatles tour shirt, and these super cool patch jeans. I love them all. Thank you so much, Nasty Gal. Ew. Love. Don't we love it? We love it. And he loves his plastic. Thank you, Nasty Gal. Ew. Now I'll try it all on for y'all soon, and they'll show up next. And yeah, whip. video.